Green Country Baits, we're back in the paint session today. We're going to be doing Wiggleworts, continuing along with this series. And today we've got the Skunk. Pretty unique, dark water or low light situations, or even better at night. If you want to learn how to paint the Skunk, come join me. We'll spray some paint. All right, we got a complete custom here. This is called the Skunk, man. He wants a skunk bait, and people kind of laugh, and probably not one of the, probably the least purchased bait or crankbait in the United States, probably across the world. But I'm telling you, just an old black and white bait, and people have made them of all different sizes and types and different shades, and kind of put blue in it every now and then. But a black bait is really nothing to laugh at. In fact, it will definitely catch fish. So give it a try. So we're going to customize this. He kind of give me something to look at on it, and we're going to kind of roll with that. Kind of keep this in somewhat like a shad or a bait fish pattern. I think it'll look cool that way. So we're pretty much going to leave everything black except the belly, and we're going to add some orange there. So this is your old pre-wrapped Wigglewort, Magnum wort, and we're just going to base coat it a transparent black. We'll leave a lot of the belly white because of the orange I'm going to put on there. But because I had sandblasted this, and there's a little bit of paint left, because I've sandblasted and I've left a little paint here and there, and I want it to be a brighter white. So we're gonna come back and kind of keep it pretty even. Going around that lip because I don't want to leave any of that white there right now. So looks good. Give it another once over. Just clean the brush out. Skunk, he calls it. Just an old black and white, man, in really stained water. Obviously low light situations. How many of you throw a black jig, or how many of you throw a black and blue, or black and white, or black and chartreuse? I'm telling you, especially at night, your darker colored baits catch fish. And I have found in some of these stained water situations that old black and white really pops in that stained water. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to use two different whites though, because I do want to get some flash. And I'm going to add a little something to a bait that I'm going to do for myself, that I'll show it to you at the end. I'm gonna make myself one of these, and we're gonna add a little bit of flash to it. But you're gonna have to wait to the end of the video to see the one I'm doing. I'm gonna find my orange I want to use, and I don't want a real fluorescent orange. I want just something that's gonna catch a little bit of light. And so we're either gonna go with this pearl orange or a pearl tangerine. We're going with the pearl orange belly, and that most of your pearls are pretty heavily pigmented bait or paints. So we've got to thin that out quite a bit, and it needs to set for just a little bit. Let everything kind of mix good. So we're going to do that here in just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and, for the time being, I'm going to take this out. I want a good coverage on this anyway. And we're gonna cover that belly with a good pure white. So that that orange really pops. First coat, we're just going to lay in pretty light. There we go. Nice look. Alright, that one's probably cooled off enough. Let's get back to our magwort. So I told you at the beginning we're going to kind of make this skunk pattern a bait fish pattern. So that being said, we're going to come over the top and down the center with a little of that white. Have the white back, and then we're going to throw a little bit of scale. You see that okay? I'll raise you up here just a hair. We're going to go right behind that eye with a little bit of scale. Very good. And we got to have a white kill dot. Now, the thing I'm going to add to this, like I said, I want a little more flash. Okay, so I'm going to cover that white with a little pearl. And that black of that lip with a little pearl. So it gives it just a little flash. It's going to catch a little more light. And that baby's going to pop. You get a little moonlight to really make this thing look good. We got to add some eyes to it, right? And for this particular bait, I want a really bright red. So I'm gonna cover that up white completely so that it jumps out and gets us. I'm gonna add that red. Eyes are done. So if you've never seen a crankbait in the skunk color, we just painted one. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but that pearl on that white and on that bill provides just enough flash, I believe. So looks really good. Guys, tell me what you think about it. Leave comments below. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, folks. Until next week, Green Country Baits, signing out.